Saab 97X repairs in my area. Saab AB is a Swedish aerospace and defense company. Founded in 1937. Saab produced automobiles from 1947 until 1990 when the automobile division was spun off as Saab Automobile, a joint venture with General Motors. The joint venture ended in 2000 when GM took complete ownership. The 2009 Saab 97X is a mid-size luxury SUV known for its distinctive styling, comfortable interior, and solid performance. Here are some key features and information about the 2009 Saab 97X. The Saab 97X was a mid-size luxury SUV produced by Saab, and it was in production from 2004 to 2009. Given the age of the vehicle, it's important to note that the information provided here is based on general guidelines for servicing SUVs and may not specifically cover the 97X model. Here are some general service recommendations that apply to many vehicles, including SUVs. Routine maintenance. Oil changes. Regular oil changes are essential for the health of the engine. Follow the manufacturer's recommendations for the type of oil and the interval between changes. Fluid checks. Regularly check and top off fluids, including transmission fluid, brake fluid, coolant, power steering fluid, and windshield washer fluid. Brake inspection. Regularly inspect the brake system, including brake pads, rotors, and brake fluid. Replace brake components as needed. Tire maintenance. Rotate tires at regular intervals to ensure even wear. Check tire pressure regularly and replace tires when they are worn. Air filter replacement. Replace the engine air filter at recommended intervals to maintain optimal engine performance. Battery check. Inspect the battery for corrosion and check its charge. Replace the battery if needed. Wiper blade replacement. Replace windshield wiper blades as needed for clear visibility during inclement weather. Periodic inspections. Brake system inspection. Periodically inspect the entire brake system for wear and performance. This includes brake pads, rotors, calipers, and brake lines. Suspension system check. Inspect the suspension components for wear and damage. Replace shocks and struts as needed. Exhaust system inspection. Check the exhaust system for leaks, damage, or excessive rust. Address any issues promptly. Manufacturer recommendations. Always refer to the owner's manual and follow the manufacturer's recommended service schedule for your specific Saab 97X model year. The service schedule typically outlines specific maintenance tasks and intervals. Professional servicing. While some maintenance tasks can be done by car owners, it's advisable to have more complex tasks and inspections performed by qualified professionals at authorized service centers or reputable auto repair shops. They have the expertise and tools to ensure that the work is done correctly. Regular and proactive maintenance can extend the life of your Saab 97X and help prevent more costly repairs down the road. Always consult your owner's manual and seek professional advice when needed.